school system. However, presented by Mrs. Ifeanyi Adepoju during the 2003-2004 academic session starting. Look at this topic, I divided it into 3 parts. First part, we talk about pre-war in school system. Second part will be about post-war in school system. What really made education the staff dignity to decline? Then, the recommendation. Restoring the staff, the dignity of staff in school system, it has 4 key words. 1, to restore. Restore means bringing something back to its original state or previous state. There is need to bring it back to its original state. Second keyword, dignity. Dignity means being treated with respect. What is next? Are you going to need dignity? As the doctors now, they see as this is a medical doctor. Lawyer now, they see that when I'm talking about the lawyer. We teachers, I will research. Then staff. Staff don't really mean only the teachers. It means all the workers in an establishment. Be it the gateman, the person working in the canteen. Everybody is what? Staff. Then school system. School system means the structure and the application of the education. Whatever that is going on here, be it the teachers, the staff, the academic progress, the curriculum, the rules and regulations, everything here is called what? School system. Pre-war of school system. Before the Nigerian Civil War, schools in Nigeria were predominantly run by the church, which also appointed teachers based on qualifications. Exceptional candidates in examination were often given automatic job from mission. Highly intelligent and disciplined individuals were chosen for staff positions, provided with the residential accommodation, while secondary school students were accommodated in hostels. Staff were distinguished by their attire and adherence to rules and regulations. Before the Civil War, it is the church that runs the school. They employed qualified teachers. They also qualified intelligent ones. Whether you have education or not, so far you know what you are doing, they will appoint you. And they are still doing it until now. Go to Ahalo Seminary, go to St. Dominic Sabbath Seminary, even St. Paul's. They are still doing it. At the end of SS3, what they do is to select all the best students for these students. They select them and put them back to teach the junior ones. What they will do is just to select few students that have qualification to support their SS3 students. The students that normally teach just 1 to 2 are the junior ones who just finished their school science. They call it 1 year apostle. Go and verify, still there. They're still doing it until today. And as a staff, being employed by the church, you cannot go against their rules. You must dress properly. You must live inside the school because they must have accommodation. If you are coming from a far distance, they will provide accommodation for you. That's what they normally do. So because of that, teachers then, they have what? Dignity. So based on this, school staff were highly respected. Failure to follow their rules. Sanction were sweet for violations, including reprimand, that is disapproval, demotion, termination, fostering mainstream from students, parents, and what? Society. So based on that, if you go against them, they will demote you, they will sack you. That is what made parents to regard the teachers there. But my dad usually tell me that there are some certain teachers in our place and they just. I see this no one uses the only. All teachers, He came back one night, told me that Mass died. And I asked him, who is Mass? He said our old teacher, they normally train children before the war. So parents entrust their stubborn and enslaving children to guidance and mentorship, ending and cultivating responsibility and citizenship in them. Then post-war, after the war happened. So the Civil War severely impacted education, leading to government takeovers and the school model overcrowding in school, straining resources, causing financial strain, and promoting year-long strike. Because of the war, after the war, a wasted population in the school system. Both the students and the teachers, they said then that teaching became free entry and free exit. Everyone is making the engineer, I'm not engineering no Korean, or certificate, more than Ankusi. I'm not medicine no Korean, then Ankusi. All I can tell more Korean, somebody else school starts in HTC, or making a man and Ankusi. The teaching becomes overpopulated, leading to zero moral culture, quick content, series of work, strike action. So as far as we are struggling to survive, the government can no longer tell them. They started taking up jobs. They can see many jobs. Some started farming. Some started selling, hawking. I know of a woman in Amor, that woman, before 6 o'clock, she will carry her kids and went to farm. Even after school, they will stay farm. How can you regard some teacher? Your teacher that will teach you in the morning, planning for your father in the morning. Others don't do that. But that woman will God be the gracious, so I'm not a man. Even with the kids, only her son is living in Nigeria. That woman really suffered. All these incessant, because government can no longer place to maintain education system. Then, that is what prompted people to hand over the school system to the church. The man and these people for staff are going to pack. Let us look at the recommendations, what we are going to do in order to bring back the dignity of staff. 1. Staff vacancies should be filled via competency tests and interviews by professional bodies, emphasizing merit over nepotism to avoid litigation. And our able government is doing that. During our recruitment, it is a certificate. Most of us never enter education. Follow which and BS, follow which and any course. Once if they are help your family to be employed. But I learned from this last exercise. Somebody sent it to me. If you don't have BEd, I'm not talking about BSc in education, BEd, they will not employ you. It's only after they have employed people that have BEd that will now look at BSc in education. So our able governor has started doing that for us. I'm only doing this and the other professions. Secondly, periodic personnel audits should be conducted in order to identify qualified staff, those workers. Government normally do this. The last exercise, I think it was 2002, in the Gini Boys. So the essence of this personnel audit is officials, the ones that are supposed to retire, the ones that are not qualified, and those workers. Thirdly, staff should receive car loan with favorable repayment terms and conditions and maintenance. Let me give us car loan now. Not your money. They should give us car loan and deducting it from our salary. I said favorable repayment terms and conditions and maintenance allowance. I've been doing this before. Remember when we are living at Merchant of Light with my dad, we normally trade to St. John's. We are up to more than, they have quarters there at Merchant of Light, more than 15 quarters. So only about 3 cashier-man that used to write that there. And I was like, my dad, why is it that you don't write that down after every time we trade? Shoma will be entering town. What happened? My dad told me then that I will not understand. Until I attained the age of reason, he now told me that that God is that very them is all over. Yeah, God will lie. Oh, wait, for white. Yeah. So my dad now told me that government used to give car loan then the thing stopped maybe they start issuing. So it is early 70s. They stopped it before 1996. That's very fine. So government should bring back that car loan because if you go to medicine, they used to give car loan. Bankers, they used to give car loan. Why not free teachers? We staff, they're supposed to give us car loan. They gave my brother, I think 3 years ago, and he's paying, he has finished paying. They should also give us. If you check out any school in Anambra State, the class you see there is either their husband or their children. No teacher can buy that.
I don't buy just say with it.
So they should give us fair wage. That's what we call fair wage. The government can't really do not carry it now, and I believe in now. I don't believe in the one in the heaven. Implementing regular recognition program to acknowledge the hard work, dedication, and achievement of staff members. This can include award ceremony, chancellor, during staff meeting, and personalized notes for at least, no. I organize everything. He might appreciate some. There are some teachers who is working very hard to make sure that the school is progressing. Those teachers will be singled out for work, for awards. I know that send their text message. I acknowledge what you are doing. Keep it up. Honor help in motivating the staff. Fostering a culture of open communication, where staff members feel comfortably expressing their ideas, concern and feedback. Encourages regular dialogue through the discussion staff meeting. As we are doing, this staff meeting is okay because from this staff meeting we're able to discuss what is happening to us and also feedback. The feedback we are going to paper will take it to the phone and tell them this is what we have arrived at. It's very, very important. To respect the dignity of staff members should be very compensated for their work as we said before. Providing opportunities for continuous learning and growth through professional development, workshop, training sessions, and mentorship programs to restore the dignity of staff. They should organize workshop for us. I mean workshop that at the end of the day they will pay us. Not the workshop that they ask us to pay for certificates, pay for registration. The bankers, if they go to workshop, they pay them. The nurses, if they go to workshop, they pay them. I'm not talking about the workshop they will put during the lamentation. The workshop I'm talking about, as we are now in the school session, there are 2 people. Please go to US. They are having social services. They go here. This is what you call it. But go to Abuja, they will pay for your hotel, pay for everything. Not the time for us to rest. They will give us workshops that will pay for certificates, pay for registration. No, that is not the type of workshop I'm talking about. Pay for snacks, everything. The last time we went, they asked us to pay. I refused. All my fellow teachers refused. Pastor, our principal started begging us that she is going to give us half of the money. I will tell her, she will give us. Next time, will I pay? I will not pay. I will go there right now. Finally, this is from our own part. What we are going to do in order to restore the dignity of staff. So, quote Ifeanyi Adegoke. So, on quotes. School staff should restore. Finally, school staff should restore dignity by upholding what we call ethical principles. And what are the ethical principles? Honesty, trust, loyalty, respect, accountability, professionalism, integrity, and promoting well-being while avoiding harm. In conclusion, restoring staff dignity demands a collaborative effort among government, parents, school staff, stakeholders with sincerity, dedication, and mutual respect. This staff dignity is not only for the teachers, but for the government and the society. Thanks.